Hey there, it's Lisa with MyIncomeSuccess.com, where I provide affiliate marketing tips, work from home ideas, product reviews, and how-to tech videos. In today's video, I want to show you how easy it is to duplicate a site or funnel inside of Builderall. This is perfect if you're trying to launch another online project and have a favorite site or funnel that you can do some minor edits to it and complete your project quickly. So if you're interested in knowing how to duplicate a site or funnel inside of Builderall, then continue watching this video. Alright, again, my name is Lisa with MyIncomeSuccess.com, and as I mentioned at the start of this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a site or funnel inside of Builderall. So let me go ahead and move over to the side. Okay, so from the left side of Builderall, you want to go over to Builders, and then depending on the builder that you use for your site or funnel, you want to go into that area. So my funnel is located under Drag and Drop Pixel Perfect. So then I'm going to go under My Sites, and then I'm going to scan down and look for the funnel that I want to work with, which is this one here. Then I'm going to click on More Options and then click Duplicate. It's going to ask, do I want to duplicate? And then I'll click OK. Then it'll confirm that it has been duplicated. The page will refresh, and then I just have to scan down towards the bottom area for the copy that was made for me. So the next thing I'll do is rename this copy to my new online project. So since I need a funnel for another business opportunity, I'm going to rename it to that business opportunity name. And that is right here under Rename. And you must use dashes or underscores to separate words and use only letters and numbers. And it must contain a minimum of 7 characters. Alright, and then all you do is click Save. So you see here it's been saved. And then now what I'll do is click Edit to work on my new online project. So then from here, I can change the headline, the picture, the opt-in form, the background color of this funnel, and any of the other pages inside of this funnel, I will change it to the new online project that I'm working with. And that, in a nutshell, is how you duplicate a funnel inside of Builderall. Alright, so that does it for this video on how to duplicate a site or funnel inside of Builderall. If you want to learn more about Builderall, please see the video description for a link to my site. There is also a 7-day free trial so you can test drive Builderall for yourself. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, subscribe now so you could be notified when I come out with new videos. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day.